Alright guys, helicopter is landing now. Braden Township for as a kid apparently split his head on a bike, major blood loss. They're getting a helicopter down at the med center. Is initially down in Beaver. They're going to land it, but now they're landing it here at the med center. So, about to get very windy. Expect a major blast of wind.
Yeah.
Oh, usually it's not that bad. It was because the blades went right under, so it was going at the speed of the blades. It felt like razor blades. Oh my gosh. There we go. Alright, so the bird is on the ground. Oh my gosh. Now, either that ambulance has a victim or the victim is in the hospital, or FD and the ambulance should be arriving here shortly. Yeah, some of the stuff went in my mouth.
Yeah, went in my eyes. The other van was with more security guards.
Yeah.
And you were right, because look, they pulled up over there in the Peter Park. They probably would have kicked us out.
I'm recording about it. Just like land this close to me. I've only had to witness the helicopter land a few times.
It literally went right above our head, yeah.
That was cool until out of nowhere the blast of this blast. Because I was standing here and I think it's because it's close to me.
Yeah.
Come near to get the victim.
Palpitations over after you're a parent, it just freaks you out. Oh yeah.
Here is the ambulance. Looks like they did not get here they were not here when the helicopter landed, but luckily they're getting here very fast. A third ambulance? I don't know if Braden Township FD is going to come here. Alright, guys, just for reasons I'm not going to show them putting the victim in the helicopter. I will show you the helicopter taking off though, so we'll see.
Even remember what happened.
Recording is now starting. Alright guys, so with these helicopters taking off, you will see the back of the tail. Actually, it'll flex down as the helicopter goes up because that's it putting strength and stress on the back of it. And that's usually how you know when they're about to take off. turning their landing lights on. We have liftoff there. Getting up in the air early, that's very good. Good stat, Medivac. I don't know if you can hear me, but... I am very surprised that the wind don't hit me. Usually when they take off. Yeah, usually when they take off, though, the wind. Alright, guys, so that's it for this video. We will see you in the next one. Yeah, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.